Admiral Sunil Lamba, navigating India's maritime future. Admiral Sunil Lamba, one of the most distinguished figures in the Indian Navy, served as the 23rd Chief of the Naval Staff from May 31, 2016 to May 31, 2019. His illustrious career, marked by strategic foresight, leadership, and dedication, played a pivotal role in enhancing India's maritime capabilities. Early life and background. Sunil Lamba was born on July 17, 1957, in Palwal, Haryana. Coming from a family with a military background, he was inspired from an early age to serve the nation. He pursued his education at the prestigious National Defence Academy, NDA, Khadakwasla, and later graduated from the Defence Services Staff College, DSSC, Wellington. Naval career. Admiral Lamba's career in the Indian Navy spanned over 4 decades, characterized by a series of significant appointments and commendable achievements. 8. Early service and specialization. Commissioned into the Indian Navy on January 1, 1978, Admiral Lamba specialized in navigation and direction. He held various important seagoing and staff appointments, showcasing his versatility and expertise. Though command of warships. Admiral Lamba commanded several frontline warships, including the minesweeper INS Kakinada, the frigate INS Himgiri, and the destroyer INS Ranvijay. His leadership during these commands was marked by operational excellence and a deep commitment to maintaining high standards of combat readiness. 10. Flag rank appointments. Upon his promotion to flag rank, Admiral Lamba held key positions such as the Chief of Staff of the Southern Naval Command, Flag Officer commanding Maharashtra and Gujarat Naval Area, Flag Officer Sea Training, and Commandant of the National Defence College, New Delhi. 4. Senior command roles. As a Vice Admiral, Lamba served as the Flag Officer Commanding-in-Chief of the Southern Naval Command and the Western Naval Command. These roles were critical in overseeing the operational readiness and strategic deployment of naval forces in 2 vital maritime regions of India. Chief of the Naval Staff. Admiral Lamba's tenure as the Chief of the Naval Staff, CNS, was marked by significant advancements in the Indian Navy's capabilities and strategic outreach. 8. Maritime strategy and vision. Admiral Lamba articulated a clear vision for the Indian Navy, focusing on strengthening maritime security, enhancing operational capabilities, and fostering international cooperation. He emphasized the importance of maintaining a strong and credible naval presence in the Indian Ocean region, IOR. Though modernization and indigenization. Under his leadership, the Indian Navy continued its efforts towards modernization and indigenization. Admiral Lamba supported initiatives to bolster the domestic defense manufacturing sector, leading to the induction of advanced warships, submarines, and aircraft. Projects like the construction of the indigenous aircraft carrier, IAC, Vikrant and the Scorpene-class submarines gained momentum during his tenure. 10. Operational readiness and exercises. Admiral Lamba prioritized the operational readiness of the Navy, ensuring that it remained prepared to address both conventional and asymmetric threats. He oversaw numerous naval exercises, including the Malabar exercise with the United States and Japan, enhancing interoperability and joint operational capabilities. 4. International cooperation. Recognizing the importance of international collaboration, Admiral Lamba fostered strong ties with navies around the world. He actively participated in dialogues, forums, and bilateral exercises, contributing to regional stability and maritime security. His efforts in strengthening the Indian Navy's strategic partnerships were instrumental in projecting India's influence on the global maritime stage. 5. Humanitarian and disaster relief. During his tenure, the Indian Navy played a crucial role in humanitarian assistance and disaster relief (HADR) operations. The Navy's swift response to natural disasters, both within India and in neighboring countries, showcased its capability to provide timely and effective aid during crises. Awards and recognitions. Admiral Sunil Lamba's exemplary service has been recognized with numerous awards and honors. He was awarded the Param Vishisht Seva Medal, PVSM, and the Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, AVSM, for his distinguished service to the nation. These accolades reflect his commitment, leadership, and contributions to the Indian Navy and the country. Legacy. Admiral Lanba's legacy extends beyond his tenure as the Chief of the Naval Staff. His contributions to the modernization and strategic vision of the Indian Navy have had a lasting impact. Some key aspects of his legacy include: 8. Enhanced maritime security. His efforts in strengthening India's maritime security architecture have made the Indian Navy more capable and prepared to address emerging threats and challenges in the Indian Ocean region. Though indigenization and self-reliance. Admiral Lanba's support for indigenization and self-reliance in defense manufacturing has bolstered India's defense industrial base. His initiatives have paved the way for greater innovation and self-sufficiency in the naval domain. 10. International collaboration. The strong international partnerships and strategic engagements fostered during his tenure have positioned India as a key player in regional and global maritime security. His legacy of cooperation and collaboration continues to shape India's naval diplomacy. Post-retirement. After retiring from active service on May 31, 2019, Admiral Lamba has continued to contribute to the defense and strategic community. He remains an influential voice on maritime security and defense policy, sharing his insights and expertise through various platforms. Conclusion. Admiral Sunil Lanba's distinguished career and exemplary leadership have left an indelible mark on the Indian Navy and the nation's maritime security landscape. His vision, dedication, and strategic foresight have not only strengthened India's naval capabilities but also enhanced its standing on the global maritime stage. As a leader, strategist, and visionary, Admiral Lanba's contributions continue to inspire and guide future generations of naval officers and defense professionals.